Okay,
I
so
heard.
JD.
JD, yeah. J for jungle and D is for dangerous. Don't mess with me.
Oh my God, dangerous forest.
Yeah. So
Okay,
your name is Yuvraj Singh.
yes.
Six, six in a six ball.
You can say, but I can say I'm not a cricketer.
You don't like cricket. Okay. Uh, you look like in Vijay Setu. Vijay Setu means there is one South actor, right? You know, he
Mhm.
look like that. Have you seen that
Oh,
movie
really?
JD? You know that South Indian movie like JD. There was a villain, in the movie like Vijay. Not Vijay. What was his name?
Okay.
No, 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 no. I think what was his name? I don't know. Okay, let it
Uh,
go.
what's the movie's name? I can
JD,
search it.
JD. Have you seen the JD movie?
Okay, JD.
Yeah, South
Wait.
Indian movie. I think the movie name is JD or actor name is JD.
Uh, JD.
There is no movie, sir.
Like Vijay the Master, I think.
Yeah. Master. Yeah,
Vijay
Master movie.
Setupati. Vijay
Uh,
Setupati.
what was the name of the villain?
I don't know. Are you talking about this? Oh, wait, I saw you.
Uh,
Mhm. Mm, Look at this.
yeah, this actor, first one. Who's wearing? Yeah, second one. What was Vijay?
Vikrant.
Vijay name is right. Yeah, this is the guy. You look like him. Like
Oh my.
like 20
This
years
one?
ago. I mean, 20
Mm-hmm.
years younger than him. No, himself.
Mm-hmm.
You look like him.
Okay, Vijay Setupati.
This Sethupathi. Okay. Keep one poster in your room. Keep remind yourself that this is a guy.
Oh my God.
Okay. Good.
Oh, so where are you from, brother?
I'm from jungle.
I say, in which part you are staying right now?
Okay. There is a jungle middle part. Middle
Oh
part of
my
jungle.
God. Okay, I see. There is a lot of uh, trees behind you.
Yeah, trees are very dangerous. Throne, they has a big throne.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So we have to be very careful. Sometimes what happens, they can throne fell down, on the ground, and whenever you walk,
Yeah,
it can pierce your
yeah,
skin. Okay.
yeah.
So yeah,
Then
sometimes
it's
you have to be very careful.
whenever you
Yeah.
visit the forest, you have to take care.
Oh, yeah.
Wow, so in forest there is a chair and wow.
Everything. There is
Oh,
everything. Mm.
oh wow.
Thing.
And
Table itself.
there is what? Yeah, there is water and there is a table and uh, around it camera.
Many things.
And
Many things
oh,
there.
so like you, I think you, what I say, uh, you are here to, what is it? Give the security of your field.
No. It's kind of with the place I choose to read a book. Okay. And spend
Oh,
some quality time with myself. By the way, I have a YouTube channel name. Okay. Learn English with JD. Learn English with JD. That's my YouTube channel name.
okay.
Learn
Wait,
English
I
with
see.
JD. Okay. So probably I will be uploading this video on my channel. I have a very less subscribers. So, but
This
still,
one,
yeah,
our
maybe,
talking.
maybe not.
Oh my, oh my God. Okay, JD.
JD. Yeah.
Oh my, JD. Brother, tell me,
Learn
JD.
English with JD. Learn English with JD.
Oh,
Learn English with JD. Say hi there, okay?